Welcome, space adventurers! Today on Cosmic Frontiers, we're blasting off on a journey beyond our world. We'll explore the amazing universe and discover its many secrets. Buckle up because we are in for a wild ride. First up with the birth of stars, space adventures. Let's start by visiting giant clouds of dust called star factories. Here, new stars are born and light up the whole universe. Next, we'll learn about some amazing things in space that have super strong gravity, even stronger than Earth. And that is the cosmic enigmas. These gravitational giants, where not even light can escape, challenge our understanding of physics. Discover the mysteries that lie within these cosmic enigmas. Then, get ready to tee off with the giant space dance. In the cosmic dance, galaxies collide in a spectacular display of gravity's force. These colossal events, spanning millions of years, reshape the universe. Join us as we witness creation of new worlds in the aftermath of these giant space dance. Towering above are the planets beyond our solar system. Countless worlds await. Are we alone? Finding planets in other galaxies takes us on a quest to find Earth-like planets. Could these distant worlds harbor life? The search for answers leads us to the frontiers of technology and imagination. Following that, we'll spot the spaceships that travel far, far away. Humanity's ambition has propelled our mechanical emissaries to the far reaches of space. Whoa! From the pioneering Voyagers to the Mars rovers, these missions bring the universe closer to us, piece by piece. Space is full of surprises. There's so much we don't know yet, and that's what makes it awesome. We are now exploring invisible things. Can you imagine what we might find next? In the shadows of our understanding lies the mystery of invisible things that make the universe work. Together, they hold the keys to the universe's fate. Explore with us the cutting-edge efforts to unravel these cosmic mysteries. And finally, let's end with the future of space exploration. As we stand on the brink of interstellar travel, the future of space exploration sparkles with possibilities. From colonizing Mars to reaching the nearest stars, join us as we dream of humanity's next giant leap. From the cradle of starbirth to the mysteries of the unseen universe, our journey has only just begun. The cosmos invites us to explore, to learn, and to dream. Join us next time on Cosmic Frontiers as we continue to unlock the secrets of space.